Hi, good morning. Am I audible? Okay. So today we are going to talk about how the tailored experience can be provided for manufacturers and how it is shaping the industry for the manufacturers. How personalized and immersive experience are a demand not only from your customers but from your partners, be it your suppliers or vendors or the dealers or distributors which you work with. So let's first talk about what kind of challenges are there. Of course, there are many challenges, but we are coming from the perspective of CX, what kind of challenges manufacturing industry is facing. So first is how to reduce the cost. There is always a cost pressure. How to reduce a cost to serve your customers. How to expand into new markets quickly. Then how to streamline your operations. This has been a traditional challenge because there are so many processes that needs to be automated. How you can streamline your operations. Last but not the least, how you can offer the superior experience. Now everybody is using Amazon, Flipkart, all those apps. So the kind of experience that is getting that the customers need or your partners need, the it is changing day by day. Let's see how Liferay solves these challenges. So if we talk about reducing the cost to serve your customers, using Liferay platform, you can automate the complete onboarding process. It can be for your customers, it can be for your suppliers, it can be for your dealers. Then you can automate the complete buying process, the complete order management, everything from the perspective of dealers or the customers. Last but not the least, you can create multiple self-service scenarios so that they don't need to reach out to your operations team at the back end. They can do everything through the app or the web interface itself. Then companies, Indian manufacturing companies are going global. They are entering new markets, so they want to create their digital presence quickly in those markets. Exactly what we do. So if you have a digital first approach, you can launch new multi-country, multilingual websites and portals on Liferay so that you can target the new markets quickly. You can expand your existing dealer portals to the new geographies where all the localized taxations, currency fluctuations, all those can be taken care. Then you can onboard new partners in those geographies, create personalized offerings, personalized catalogs, SKUs for those geographies. And then you can create a connected environment for your sales and operations team because they are also global. Coming to the third challenge, streamline operations. So you have multiple disparate systems that you are using. So there is ERP, there is CRM, there are multiple other production latest systems as well. You want to connect everything, streamline those, bring a single interface for your senior management through which they can get data, real-time insights from multiple production units or multiple other systems. That's where we play. So we connect multiple systems, provide you a single gateway or an interface. Then we can automate your all manual and semi-automated processes. You can define SLAs, TATs, decision criteria at various stages during the workflow and the process automation. And you can do all those real-time monitoring. You can support multiple teams, multiple uh, departments on the same platform by automating their own processes, their own requirements through the Liferay across different channels and the region. Differentiate yourself. So everybody is competing with this. There are multiple companies having the similar kind of product. How they differentiate from each other is by providing a better experience for your. Of course, the quality of product is the first thing. But if you have a quality product, the kind of experience, the engagement that you provide to your end customer, partners, or dealers, that's going to differentiate you again as compared to any. If you have a good product, but your service is not good, the dealers may start selling somebody else's product as well. So that's where the experience becomes very important. And then you also want to empower your product teams and business teams so that they can also make changes. Rather than always depending on IT, they should be able to use some of the low-code capabilities coming from the platform so that in case they want to launch a new product, they can themselves create the product catalogs, they can change the SKUs, all those things. Because there you don't require any coding. It's all